Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to study about the calendar module in Python. So first of all, uh, what really is calendar module? So calendar module in Python has this calendar class that allows us the calculation of various tasks, which is based on months, days, or let's say years as well. So on top of it, it also has text calendar class that we are going to have a demonstration in a while that allows us to change the behavior of default calendar as per our requirement. So let's see. So first we need to import the calendar module. So it imports all the classes of this calendar module. So after that we will be creating a plain text calendar dot Sunday. So what this line is doing, it is telling the interpreter to create a text calendar and the start of the month will be Sunday. So in Python we can format the calendar as we can change the day of the month to begin with using this line of code. So now in next step I will be creating a calendar for the year 2021 with month 5. For that I will be using cal dot format format month, and I will give a year and I will give a month. So it will create me the calendar for the year 2021 and month 5, which is May. So I will print it. So now let me run it with in the terminal and see what the output is. So Python test.py. So as you can see, the starting month is May, which is 5, and the year is 2021. And every time the calendar is starting from Sunday. So if you want to start a calendar from, let's say, Tuesday, so you can just edit in this line and rerun the code, and you can see that it is starting from Tuesday. So this is how we can manipulate the calendar model as per our requirement. This is just one example. There are lots to learn, a lot of things to learn. So for that you can see uh, in the calendar by importing calendar in the Python shell. So if you go and see, then here are all the references and you can see all the built-in functions, methods, classes. So you can test as per your requirement. So I'll be also making the video on other classes of the calendar module. So stay tuned.